Don't lie. Tom is a small and young little boy. He is only 7 years old, which means he is still very young. He lives inside a small house that is not big, together with his kind and loving mother and his strong and caring father. Tom is a happy and cheerful boy. He likes to play games and have fun every single day. He loves to run fast, jump high, and laugh loudly. But more than anything else, Tom really loves his toys very much. Tom has many different kinds of toys. He has toy cars that he can push, toy robots that can move, toy balls that he can throw, and toy animals that look like real ones. But there is one toy that he loves more than all the other toys. It is a red toy car. The car is small in size, shiny like a new thing, and fast when he pushes it. His father gave him this red toy car as a special gift for his birthday. Tom takes this red toy car with him to many places. He plays with it every day, again and again, because he loves it so much. One day, when the sun is shining brightly and the sky is clear and blue, Tom goes outside to play in the garden. He brings his red toy car with him because he wants to play with it. He runs on the green grass. He makes the toy car go very fast by pushing it. He says, "Vroom! Vroom!" with his mouth like the sound of a real car. He feels very happy and full of joy. But then, something bad and sad happens. Tom pushes the red toy car too hard and too fast. It hits a big and hard rock. The red toy car falls over and rolls. One of the car's small wheels breaks off. Tom picks the car up with his hands. He looks at the broken wheel. The wheel is not working now. The toy car cannot move anymore. Tom feels very sad inside. He really loves this red car a lot, and now it is broken. Tom starts to cry. He says, "Oh no! My car is broken!" in a sad voice. He sits down on the grass and thinks. He does not want his father to be angry at him. He feels scared inside. He does not want to get in trouble. Then, a bad idea comes into his head. He says to himself in a quiet voice, "I will not say I broke the toy car. I will say that someone else broke it. Then I will not get in trouble." Tom runs back into the house quickly. He finds his mother in the kitchen. She is standing near the stove and cooking rice and fish for the family to eat. Tom says, "Mom, my red toy car is broken now. I think Sam broke it." His mom looks at him with surprise. "Sam? Are you sure about that?" she asks in a soft voice. Tom moves his head up and down. "Yes, I saw Sam play with it," he says. But what Tom says is not true at all. Sam is their neighbor who lives next door. Sam is 8 years old. He did not even touch the red toy car today. Tom is saying something that is not true. Tom is telling a lie. Tom's mother is surprised and a little confused. She says, "Okay," and nods her head. "We will tell your father." That evening, when the sun goes down and it becomes dark outside, Tom's father comes home from work. He is tired and wants to rest. He drinks some cool water and sits down on the wooden chair. Tom's mom says, "Dear, the red toy car is broken now. Tom said that Sam broke it." Tom's father does not look happy. He gets up from his chair and walks to Sam's house. He knocks on the door. Sam's mother opens the door and says, "Hello? Hello?" Tom's father says in a serious voice. "Did your son Sam play with Tom's red toy car today? The toy is broken." Sam comes to the door. He looks confused and surprised. "No, I did not play with Tom's car. I did not even see it today," he says with a sad face. Tom watches everything from the window inside his house. He sees Sam's face. Sam looks very sad. Sam did not do anything wrong, but now someone blames him. Tom begins to feel very bad inside his heart. His heart feels heavy, like a rock. He starts to think, "I should not tell lies. This is not right. I hurt Sam. I need to say the truth." That night, Tom cannot sleep. He keeps thinking about Sam. He keeps thinking about the broken toy car. He keeps thinking about the lie he told. He feels very, very sorry. Tom gets out of bed. He walks to where his father is sitting and says, "Dad, I need to tell you something very important." His dad looks at him and says, "What is it, Tom?" Tom says, "I broke the red toy car. I played too hard. It hit a rock, and the wheel broke. I did not tell the truth. I said Sam broke it. But that was a lie. I am sorry, Dad." His father stays quiet for a moment. Then he says, "Tom, I am not happy that you told a lie. But I am glad you came and told the truth now. That is very brave. We must always tell the truth. Lies can hurt people." Tom feels better inside his heart. He hugs his father tightly. "I will not tell a lie again," he says. The next day, Tom goes to Sam's house. Sam is outside in front of his house, playing with a ball. Tom walks up to Sam and says, "Sam, I am sorry. I told a lie. You did not break my toy car. I broke it. I was scared and did not want to get in trouble. But that was wrong. Please forgive me." Sam looks at Tom. Then he smiles. "Thank you, Tom. I forgive you," he says. They play together again. They laugh and have fun. From that day, Tom learns a big and important lesson. He learns that telling lies is not good. It can hurt people and make them sad. But telling the truth is good. It makes you strong, kind, and brave. Tom also learns to be more careful when he plays with his toys. He still loves his red toy car. His father helps him fix the car. The car is not perfect anymore, but Tom still plays with it and loves it. And every time he looks at the red toy car, he remembers something very important: do not tell a lie. Always tell the truth.